my YouTube channel. Spring is officially here, and that means that we are going to be having the biggest spring reset. I have so many exciting things planned for this video, and I'm just so happy that the sun is finally back. The flowers are blooming, the blossom trees are everywhere that you look. Along with the new season comes spring cleaning, comes organising, getting my life together. Also because April is a few days away and I really want to be realigned, reorganised for a new month. But yeah, this video is me doing that, and I hope it inspires you guys to do the same if you've been feeling a little bit here, there and everywhere. Get productive, get into the productive mood, do those things that you've been procrastinating or even just putting off. It happens sometimes. I know I've had my moments this March where it's kind of been like a bit like this, but we are getting back on top again. Also, thank you so much for 4K here on YouTube. I cannot believe how quickly that came around. It genuinely sprung up on me. I'm so grateful for all of you and all of your support. I feel like we just hit 100 subscribers yesterday, even 1,000 subscribers yesterday. I think there are over 4,000 of you all. Genuinely, it just makes my heart so happy. I'll be so real. It makes me very happy. I love you guys and thank you so much for 4K. I just want to say a big thank you in this video, as this is going to be my next video. That out of the way, let's get into the spring reset. In this video, I really want to be resetting with my daily things that I've been doing every single day. First, starting off with workouts, cleaning, organising, journaling, planning, self-care. I've got a Holland and Barrett event that I'm going to be attending. It's literally known for being amazing regarding your health and wellness and well-being and all things taking care of you, really. So they've actually invited me down to their new Cardiff store. So I will be vlogging that and putting that in this video as well, as we are going to be attending a yoga class as well, which I'm just very excited for. I'm gonna get my workout in, and as it's a beautiful sunny day, I really want to go to the park as well, bring my colouring book and do something fun and wholesome and just be in the sun, listen to my music or my podcast, and then we're gonna come home, do some laundry. We are also going to tidy my room. My room needs a bit of a deep clean, I'll be honest. I need to clean down the sides and all of that stuff. I really want to curate a vanilla body care routine. Excited for today. Wait until I tell you guys where we're going and what we're doing this morning. I had a very fun email from Holland and Barrett, and they've kindly invited me down to their new Cardiff store, and today they're having a event. I'm gonna go, and a bunch of other creators like myself are gonna be there, and influencers, and they've actually hired out the yoga studio that I think they've built at the new store, and we're gonna be doing some yoga this morning and then having a little look around Holland and Barrett and having a look at all of their different wellness goodies. I am so excited. My friend Jess is also going today. She is the sweetest and I'm so excited to see her. So I'm actually meeting her at 10 and then we're gonna go to the event together. But I feel like my outfit is giving Pilates princess and I'm kind of here for it. Also, I have put my hair into a ponytail just because I thought practicality wise probably is gonna be in my favor. I will speak to you guys in a little bit, but that is the update of today. I'm so excited. first.
Can't wait.
Jess.
Hi.
Will be on the screen. So definitely go for it.
Oh, thank you. Hi. Do you want to do yoga stuff?
Yes, we are doing yoga today. So
So I think, I believe it's the same. I told you, they're like cute.
Thank you so much.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Do we see you?
Yes,
I'll do
okay.
you. Yeah. I'm sure everyone has seen by now the vanilla body care clean girl routine, and I want in. Okay, so yesterday I was like, okay, I'm running low of a lot of my stuff. Surprisingly, like I have showers daily. That also means that my products run out faster. I can always count on TikTok and LUSH to always stock me up. So I actually received a spring PR package from LUSH, which is what I'm going to show you guys. And also I bought some stuff for my vanilla clean girl routine that I'm now going to be doing and sticking to religiously. Let me show you guys what I got from Boots for the vanilla routine. Starting off with Nala's Baby. I'm sure everyone has heard about them. They are really popular at the moment and everyone raves about their body butter. I wanted a bit more of a thinner consistency, so I got the body lotion. Apparently they're color safe as well, which is great, so I can use them on my hair. I got it in the scent Vanilla Cloud, Oats, Coconut and Hibiscus, and it genuinely, it smells amazing. I love using the Olay satin shaving gel. I was gonna go with Sunday, but I just think that, like, I don't know if it's foamy enough for me, so I wanted to try a new one. And I went into Savers for this one and they had the vanilla scent. Some girls talking about how Boots doesn't have this one, but Savers does, and it was literally like £2. Again though, it just smells unreal. And then also from Savers again, I got the Dove Vanilla long-lasting deodorant because I literally ran out of deodorant, so needed to get a new one, and coincidentally restock day. These two aren't necessary. I really don't think going out and buying a perfume just because you know, it matches the scents. You don't need to do that because perfumes are pricey. I actually already had the Ariana Grande Mod perfume. This is as vanilla as it gets. It's so good. I wore this, and then to pair with that, I've got the SO Vanilla Body Mist. It's perfect. It's perfect just to pop in my bag. And these two go really well together. I also need to organize my shower because I've got a lot of products that I don't really reach for at the moment. So I'm gonna put them back in the cupboard. LUSH knows what's up. They know it's spring. They know the trees are blooming outside. It was time for spring and Mother's Day and all things Easter, and I'm just very excited to show you guys what they sent me because they popped off. Like, I used the Yummy Custard body wash they sent me. It's up in my shower, but that stuff is amazing. Your ultimate spring clean, which is very on topic with today's video. So inside it says winter, we don't know her. Say goodbye to the winter blues and hello to springtime freshness. And they've put an Easter Bunny bath bomb, Mother's Day edamame bean bath bomb, Posh White Chocolate and Rose shower scrub, Yummy Custard body wash, Coffee Morning shower jelly, and the cookie dough lip oil. And it says to share your spring vibes, but look how cute this is. I always love these cards that they pop in their PR packages because they're so cute. Posh White Chocolate and Rose body scrub. This stuff looks amazing and I love the consistency of their sugar scrubs. Then I have the Coffee Morning shower jelly. This smells like sticky dates. Like, look how funny it looks, but That smells like sticky dates. That's amazing. I'm obsessed. And then the 2 bath bombs we have the iconic Easter bunny. This bath bomb as well. Thank you so much, Lush. I love you guys. I love Lush. You guys know, if you're an OG here, you know that I love Lush. I've been loving Lush. The fact that I receive PR from them is genuinely crazy. Makes me want to cry because I'm so grateful. That is everything that we have in the self-care product department. I will have everything linked down below. I'll have my Lush storefront so you guys can shop directly from there, and also I will have the vanilla routine all down below, all in one link so you guys can shop it all in one place, which will be ideal because I had to go to like 3 different shops to get all this stuff. So I need to fix my nails. I basically got acrylics last month. They've been quite good, except the fact that they are stiletto nails, so they're really long. They have caught on a lot. Only really in the last few days, like when they start to grow out, that's kind of when I got a problem. But today I'm gonna go get my nails done. It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm hoping, yeah, it's Wednesday today, so I'm really hoping it won't be that busy. But basically, as you guys can see, they're gorgeous. I love this set, but this nail is broken. This nail is about to come off as well, so I really want to go fix them. I'm probably gonna get stiletto again just because I'm really obsessed with that shape at the moment. This is the before. Let's go get the nails done, all ready for spring.
Sailing over pavement with our 2 ones. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or 2. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out